Hey you guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be doing a full face of Bourjois makeup. So if you guys want to see this makeup look, then keep watching. Also, don't be afraid to hit that big red subscribe button down below this video or over on my YouTube channel. So I'm going to do a full face testing out Bourjois makeup, but since I don't have a primer, I couldn't get one in the shop. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply Urban Decay's, and it is called Rebound. So it's actually the first day that it is raining again after a few weeks, but it's still pretty hot up in this room. So to start off with, I'm going to go ahead and apply a foundation, and the one I'm going in with is by Bourjois, and it's the Healthy Mix, which is this one. And this is in number 52 Vanilla. I'm using my blending brush by Aoife to buff that into the skin. I'm just going to set that foundation using an illuminating powder, which is just this one here. So I'm going to apply that to my skin using the Real Techniques powder brush, which just looks like that. So next I'm going to take the Healthy Mix Anti-Fatigue Concealer, which is this one here. And it is in number 51 Light, and it just looks like that. I'm going to take the Nima concealer brush in Emma, and I'm going to just blend that concealer in. Another Nima brush, and this is in Blonde, which just looks like that. And I'm just going to go and set the under eye with a little bit of loose powder. So I'm going to take a bronzer next, and it is this one here, and that is what it looks like. It looks sort of like a small little chocolate bar. Some blush, and this one is in Jasper Rose, and it just looks like that. So next I'm going to take a highlighter, and this one is in Sculpt Light, which just looks like that. A Smoky eyeshadow palette, which is just this one here. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this dark grey shade here. So next I'm just going to take this top shade here. just going to dot that on. Before that dries, I'm just going to take that really light shade of glitter, which is this one here, that on. So I'm going to take the next lighter grey to the glitter that I've just gone in with and apply that to the mid of the eye. Some false eyelashes, and I'm going to go in with some mascara, and the one I'm taking is Push Up Volume Glamour, and it just looks like that. So it's a black serum mascara, and that is what the one looks like. To finish this look off, I'm going to take a matte lipstick, and this one is in Don't Think of It, and it just looks like that. Pretty impressed with the makeup. The things I absolutely adored were the foundation and concealer. I thought they were gorgeous. They offer a light to medium coverage. You can build it up to a kind of more medium coverage, but this was really gorgeous, and I think it's lovely and light and lets your skin breathe as well. So they're the two things that I absolutely loved. I loved the translucent powder as well. I love the fact that it has a little bit of an illuminator in it as well. So that was the third thing that I loved. The bronzer was lovely as well. Perfect for a kind of more sun-kissed look. I don't think you'd be able to contour with this because it is quite light as well. But as I said, great for a sun-kissed glow. Really liked the matte lipstick, although I think it was slightly the wrong shade for me with this look. But I managed to fix that by using a gloss. But overall, I really liked that as well. Also, the mascara was really nice as well. But I would like to give my true opinion without false eyelashes. So I will try that for the next few days and see how I get on with it. The eyeshadow palette was really good. The pigment is really strong in it, but I wish they had a better choice in the shop, but unfortunately I had to pick that up as it was the only one. But I really like the eye makeup that I created today, and I'm pretty impressed with the pigments. So that is the eyeshadow palette. So the last two items were the illuminator and the blush. The blush is quite nice, quite strong pigment in it as well. The only thing that puts me off this is the actual scent of it. It's quite a strong kind of florally scent, so yeah, I don't think I would purchase that again just because it's so strong in scent as well. The other thing was the illuminator. I'm not really crazy about this illuminator. It does offer a nice colour, but when you blend it out it kind of flakes away, so I definitely would put that on the miss list. But overall everything else was definitely worth buying, and I definitely would recommend all the other products to anybody that wants to try them out. I just put on a little bit of gloss on over the lipstick just to bring it down a little bit, just because I didn't have the exact shade I wanted. But overall, that is the makeup look I created using a full face of Bourjois makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't be afraid to give me a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Till next time, bye!